Hello and welcome to Butler-HQ, and today you might be asking you why am I walking around an alleyway with some yellow film. Well, what I'm going to be doing is replicating the hella yellow fogs, or the French fog lights on Boudica. I'm not sure if it's going to be a win or a fail, but I'll take you along on my way. I'll take you along anyway. That's what I mean. And we're going to wrap the lights. If you remember, our 525 Orient Express used to have yellow fog lights, and everybody walking to it always said it looked a bit different. Yeah, yellow fog lights. So I'm going to try and replicate the same effect on Boudica. Now I know she's not blue, she's red, so I'm not sure how this is going to pan out entirely, but if you watch to the end, we'll get it done, and if you watch to the very end, I'll wait till tonight and put a fog light on and we'll see how yellow they are. So watch it to the end. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a yellow film, and I've got a gutted fog light, and I'm going to offer it up to it and mark around or cut around here, and that's what I'm going to do. Now I can afford to screw up a couple of times because all this here was $1.99 with 3 posting package from China. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sort of get a sort of line around there. You can see that's I'm going to get sort of a line like that. I'm going to trim it. Now it would help if you had a heat gun or hair dryer, but I haven't. It sucks. That's what we're at a minute. We're going to go to a car now and offer it up and see if it's going to work. Now we're back at the car. I'm going to see if this will actually work. Slightly too big. Cool. Let's see what we can because I put it a bit too big, it means that I can get a standing one and trim around the edges. To make it neat and tidy. So, I'm going to get a standing out, trim around the edges, get some more air bubbles out, and we should be good to get yellow or go to France. And that's one side done. Yellow fog lights that fit perfectly for $1.99. And you might say, you're saying that, oh well, that don't look very yellow. Well, that's because it's got a protective colour on. Haha. They look the business. Now I hope I can replicate this effect on the other side. I am well happy with myself. That looks cool. cool. I like that. Time to do the other side. Now I'm going to go from the other corner. I've got it on the other side. Yeah. See, when you're doing it, make sure to, if you've got a template like me, just to cut it on the other, cut it on this side. And always when you put it on the spotlight, put that edge right on the curve of the foggy. What I'm saying spotlights for. You want to have a standing knife and a good pair of scissors for this. Back to the car. Away. Now I've been trying to invert this in some way. So when I put it on the sticky sides, the side we need it to be, which it's worked. Work down like that, so you try and get as much air bubbles out. I don't think you're going to see this one, you can see the back of my head. I got a clue. Dad's got an eye infection, so pull your protective covering off, your installation peel, and that is another yellow fog lamp. How cool's that? Just zoom out like that. And you go back in mirrors and get the keys and show you the full effect. I will be coming back out here tonight and showing you them in effect at night, but I think they look cool, and that's my style of yellow fog light. I like it. And in a minute it'll be dark and will be yellow. So everyone, it is about 10 o'clock and it's fairly dark enough to find out what the lights are going to be like. I'll leave you here, and that's what I look. You can't really get it on film. That's up there with his eye. Go away, Pa. Yeah, he's got a bad eye, Pa. So, but that's the overall effect. So folks, from me and Dad, thanks for watching till the end, and we'll see you in a future video. But until then, bye bye.